Good morning, Mrs. Hensley's friends. Today is a new day, and I guess I should say good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, whatever time you're watching this. I try to usually start off with that. We are going to work on our calendar right now, so let's get started. Does anybody remember the new month that we are in? It's a new month. It comes after August. Oh, September. So today is September the 2nd. Let Mrs. Hensley show you the 2. And it's green. September the 2nd, 2020. Okay? It's kind of hard for you guys to see that, isn't it? September the 2nd, 2020. Again, in September, we have Labor Day, which is next Monday, no school. Brian's birthday on September 21st, and Avery's birthday on September 29th. Okay, let's sing our months of the year. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, December, 12 months in a year. Yay! Okay, now we need to know the days of the week. Who knows what day it is today? Let's see, did something yesterday. What did we do? Is it Tuesday today? No, it's Wednesday. So, let's sing our days of the week first. Here we go. There's 7 days, there's 7 days, there's 7 days a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. There's 7 days, there's 7 days, there's 7 days a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Okay, Mrs. Hensley said today is Wednesday, so we need to put our Wednesday right here where it says today is Wednesday. Okay, let's think about what comes after Wednesday. Oh, let's sing our song. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. I think Mrs. Hensley forgot to show you Wednesday. Here is Wednesday. That's today. And tomorrow will be Thursday. It starts with a TH that says It's the only time you can get away with sticking out your tongue when you say the TH sound, which is Thursday. Oh, stick out your tongue and say Thursday. You won't get in trouble for that tongue sticking out. Okay, so tomorrow will be Thursday. Tomorrow will be Thursday. Now we need to know what comes before Wednesday, because the day of the week that comes before Wednesday was yesterday. It was in the past. Yesterday. So what comes before Wednesday? Here we go. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Did you hear it? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Oh, did I say Tuesday here? Here's today. What was yesterday? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Yesterday was Tuesday. Good job, friends. So here we go. Let's read our sentences. Yesterday was Tuesday. Today is Wednesday. And tomorrow will be Thursday. We are still in the season of summer. Remember, there's 4 seasons. What comes after summer? It goes summer, and then fall, and then winter, and then spring. And then we do it all over again. Summer, fall, winter, spring. It's a continuous cycle. Okay? So summer is our season. okay, that we're in right now. Remember, we're not doing the weather. Mrs. Hensley has not got your names on those yet, but I have a few ideas and we'll talk about those at a later date, okay? Okay, so how many days have we been in school? Well, let's see. We need to add a straw because we are in school today. So we need to add a straw over here in our pocket chart, counting the days of school. We have ones, tens, and hundreds. Okay, so that means when we get 10 straws, we have to put a rubber band around them and put them in the tens. And when we get 100 straws, we have to take when we get 10 tens, we take them all out, bundle them together, and put them in the hundreds. We'll have 100 days of school. I can't wait. Okay, so right now we just have some in the ones. Let's count and see what we have in the ones. How many days have we been in school? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have been in school 5 days, so we need to add a tally mark now. Tallies are pretty cool because once you have 4 tallies, you have to make the next tally going diagonal. So watch Mrs. Hensley. I'll do it this way so you can see me, okay? Watch Mrs. Hensley. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But now when you look at that, you know that that's 5. There's 4 tallies and then 1 diagonal from the top of the first one to the bottom of the last one. That is always 5 when you see tallies like that, or it should always be 5. Okay, so we have been in school 5 days this week. I mean, 5 school days so far. So we need to go up and add a number 5. And now let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 school days. We have been in school for 5 days. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 days of school that we have had. Now, Mrs. Hensley wants to write the date because when we start doing journals, you will be writing the date at the top of your journal. So let's see. What number month is September? So here we go. January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, and August. September. How many fingers am I holding up? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have September has the number 9. So we're going to write that on our board. Let's see. What color would Mrs. Hensley like to write with today? I think I will write with blue. Okay, here we go. So September is the 9th month. Oh, why didn't you tell me my blue marker doesn't work? Mrs. Hensley forgot to replace it with the old one, with a new one. And I think I tried to write with the blue marker the other day and it didn't work. Oh my goodness, I'm going to have to replace that. So Mrs. Hensley is going to write with pink. I know that'll make the girls happy, okay? So let's see if you can see the date from here. Okay. September is the 9th month, okay? And today is September the 2nd. So we're going to put a 2 there for September the 2nd. And then, the year is 2020, but we're just going to shorten that and put 20. Okay, 9-2-20. Now we're going to write the short way of September. Okay, an uppercase S, E, P, T, period. Remember, Mrs. Hensley said that's an abbreviation for the month September because September is a long word to write. But you're not going to learn a whole lot about abbreviations, maybe the months that we shorten when we write in our journal, because you'll have a choice of when we start working in our journal of how you want to write the date at the top of your page. Okay, so September, you've got to put 2 finger spaces, the 2nd, comma, because that separates the 2 from the 2020, and then 1 finger space, 2020. Okay, now Mrs. Hensley's going to write it the long way. September, September, 2 finger spaces, the 2nd, September the 2nd, comma, 2020 or 2020. Okay, so those are 3 different ways we can write the date. And remember, when we start journals, you'll have to write it one way on your journal at the top of the page. But we're not worrying about that right now, okay? So let's talk about what we are going to do today. Let's see here. You're in the morning message now, and there's going to be a fun song on there that you will get to listen to. Let's see. Today we are going to, I'm going to read the Crayons Book of Colors, and then you're going to have an activity with that. Then you're going to use your finger muscles. Oh, my finger muscles. My muscles in my fingers. Muscles in my fingers. We're going to use those. They're called fine motor skills. We're going to use those to do an activity that you will really enjoy. And then we are going to, our math is going to be something about color. You'll have to wait for that, but there will be an activity on Seesaw about that. And then we will read our I Have a Backpack book together. So I hope your I Have a Backpack book is all colored neatly. I hope your name is on it with a pencil. And I hope you cut out all of your A's and put them on the page. And then, hopefully it's all done when you watch my video, because Mrs. Hensley's finished hers and she is going to definitely read that book with you, and mine is all complete. I've got it all nicely colored. All my A's are glued in the correct way. My name is neatly on the front, and it looks awesome. It is so ready to be read. So we will do that towards the end of the day. So I hope you guys have a fabulous Wednesday. Make sure you're listening to those fun songs on the morning message, because they are pretty cool. And I hope you guys have a wonderful Wednesday, and I will be seeing you soon. Oh, Mrs. Hensley forgot. Oh, I almost forgot. The question of the day is, what is your favorite color? You are going to draw a picture on your iPad using your favorite color of crayon. So, or actually, I guess you won't do it with, well, you can do it on paper if you want and take a picture, or you can use the drawing tool on Seesaw to use your stylus to draw a picture in your favorite color. And you're going to have to tell me what you drew in the microphone, and then hit the submit button to turn it in. Okay, the add response button. We'll add the response button to get it in, and then you'll hit the end button to submit it. Mrs. Hensley is not thinking very well. You hit the check mark to turn it in. I don't know what happened to my brain. It just went away for 5 seconds, and now it's back, ready to go some more. Okay, so you guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.